Welcome back. So we are doing problems on profit and loss. Okay, so we completed three problems. So now the fourth one, on selling a mobile for rupees 750, a shopkeeper loses 10%. For what amount should he sell to gain 5%? Okay, so on selling a mobile, so here the selling price is given. Selling price is rupees 750 and the loss is 10%. Loss is 10%. So for what amount should he sell to gain 5%? So this is the second case. For what amount should he sell it to gain for 5%? That we'll find out. But before that, selling price is given to us, loss is given to us. So when selling price is given, first we'll find the cost price. So how to find the cost price? Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. So cost price is equal to selling price is 750 into 100 divided by 100 minus loss. So that is 100 minus 10. So cost price will calculate. So cost price is equal to 750 into 100 by 90. So we'll calculate this. We can eliminate 0, 0. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, 3 5s are 15. So the cost price what we get is, it is rupees 2500 by 3. Okay, let it be in fraction. See, first selling price is given and loss is given. So when selling price is given, we have to find cost price. If cost price is given, we have to find selling price. So the selling price of a mobile is 750. Okay, so the shopkeeper loses 10%. Then what is the cost price? It is, cost price is 2500 by 3. So we got cost price as 2500 by 3. Now what we do is, now we'll find out selling price. Now we'll find out selling price when the gain is 5%. So now we have to find out selling price when the gain is 5%. So now we'll find out selling price when we have gain. So selling price is equal to, so the formula of selling price when we have gain, selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus gain percent by 100. Okay, so we'll substitute now. So selling price is equal to cost price. What is cost price we have? It is 2500 by 3 into 100 plus gain percent. What is gain percent? It is 5 by 100, right? So now what we do is we'll simplify. So selling price is equal to 2500 by 3 into 105 by 100, right? So we'll calculate this. We can eliminate 0, 0, 0, 0. So selling price is equal to, I think we can eliminate this also. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, remainder 1, 3 5s are 15. So now we have to multiply 25 into 35. So the selling price, if we multiply 25 into 35, 25 5s are 125. So 12, 25 to 75, it is 875. So what is selling price we get? It is rupees 875. It is completed. Next problem. A farmer sold 2 bullocks for rupees 24,000 each. On one bullock he gained 25% and on the other he lost 20%. Find the total profit or loss percent. Okay, so here a farmer sold 2 bullocks at 24,000 each. On one he gained and on the other he lost. So first what we do is, first we check for the first bullock. The selling price of bullock, it is rupees 24,000. Okay, so On the first one, he gained 25%. So gain is equal to 25%. Now we have selling price and gain. Now I'll find out the cost price. So cost price is nothing but selling price into 100 by 100 plus gain percent. So we'll use this. So cost price is equal to selling price is 24,000 into 100 divided by 100 plus gain. So that is 100 plus 25. So cost price is equal to 24,000 into 100 divided by 125. So we'll calculate this. See, 25 5s are 125, 25 4s are 100. So this we can eliminate in 5. So 5 1s are 24,000 can be cancelled in 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So remainder is 4. We have 24, 5 4s are 20, remainder 4, 4 0 40, 5 8s are 40, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0. So now we are getting cost price of first bullock. So what is the CP of first bullock? It is 4,800 into 4. So what is 4,800 into 4? 0 0, 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32. So 3, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3 is 19. It is 19,200 is the cost price of first bullock. Okay, now we go to the second one, second case, right? So in second case, the selling price of bullock is same. So what is the SP of bullock? SP of bullock is nothing but rupees 24,000, right? Now in this, what is loss? Loss is nothing but 20%. Loss is 20%. Now we have selling price. Okay, we have selling price, some loss or gain. Whether it is loss or gain, we have selling price. Now we have to find out cost price when the loss is given. So cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. Okay, so now we'll substitute. So selling price is cost price is equal to selling price is 24,000 into 100 divided by 100 minus the loss percent is 20 rupees, 20%, sorry. So cost price is 24,000 into 100 by 80, right? So 0 0 we can eliminate, 8 1s are 8 3s are 24, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0. So now what is CP? CP is equal to rupees 300 into 100, right? 100 zeros are 0, 100 zeros are 0, 100 3s are 300. 300, it is 30,000. So what is cost price we are getting? It is 30,000. Now on this whole transaction, whether he got profit or loss, we have to find out. For that, what we do is, first we'll find out total cost price. Total cost price. Total cost price means what? The cost price of first bullock is 19,200. 19,200 plus the second one is 30,000. So 19,200 plus 30,000 we have to add. So if we add these two, so what we'll get? Total CP will be 30,000 and 19,200. 19,200. 00294. We are getting 49,200. It is 49,200 rupees. Right? This is total CP. Now total SP. So what is total SP? Total selling price is nothing but the cost price of each bullock is 24,000. Sorry, the selling price of each bullock is 24,000. So 24,000 plus 24,000, this is 48,000 we are getting. Okay. So what is total selling price we got? 48,000. So we have total cost price, total selling price. Now see, it's very clear. Cost price is 49,200, selling price is 48,000. Clearly he got loss, right? So what is loss? Loss is nothing but cost price minus selling price. So what is cost price? It is 49,200 minus, it is 48,000. Now we need to subtract these two. So what is the loss we get? Loss will be 1200 rupees. 1200, right? 48,000 plus 1000 is 49,000. So 200. So 1200 rupees loss. Now after getting loss, as he got loss, we have to find out loss percent. So what is loss percent? Loss percent is nothing but loss by CP into 100. So loss percent is equal to loss by CP into 100. So what is loss? Loss is 1200, right, by CP. CP means total CP. So what is total CP? It is 49,200. So 49,200 into 100. So we'll calculate this. See, 0, 0, 0, 0 we can eliminate. We have 12 by 492 into 100. So just this calculation part, again I'll repeat this here. So it is 12 by 492 into 100. So we'll cancel this. 4 12s are 48. 4 12s are 48. Reminder 1. 4 3s are 12. Again here also 4 3s are 12 we got. So we get 300 by 123. So you need to divide this 300 by 123. If you divide this 300 by 123, we get approximately 2.4. So the loss is approximately 2.4% on this whole transaction. So this is completed. Next problem. This is an example problem. A shopkeeper bought a TV for rupees 9,000 and sold it for 10,000. Find the profit or loss. You have to calculate the percentage. So here shopkeeper bought for 9,000. So here bought means cost price. So what is cost price? It is rupees 9,000. Now selling price. So what is selling price? It is 10,000 rupees. So cost price is 9,000, selling price is 10,000. So he clearly, selling price is more than cost price. So he got gain. So what is gain? Gain is selling price minus cost price. So gain is equal to 10,000 minus 9,000. So the gain will be rupees 1,000. So the gain is 1,000 rupees we got. Now after getting the gain, we have to find out a gain percent. So gain percent is equal to, it is gain by CP into 100. So what is gain here? Gain is 1,000 rupees, right? Gain is 1,000 rupees by CP. What is the cost price? It is 9,000 rupees. Okay, so 1,000 by CP into 100. So if you calculate this, we'll get a gain percent. So what we do is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 zeros can be eliminated. So we get 100 by 9. So 100 by 9, we have to calculate this. Then we get the gain percent. So what is 100 by 9? So the gain percent is 11.11 approximately, or just write 11.1% approximately. Okay, so this is completed.